Hi, welcome to MobilBid Learn, silent auction tutorials, complete auction setup and management training sessions. In this video, I'm going to review the event dashboard with you. If you have just logged in, to get to your dashboard, from the Organization screen, click Select Organization on the event you want to view. From the Auctions window, select an auction. You are now on the auction dashboard for your event. There are two navigational menus. The first is the left side menu. This is how you manage a specific auction. The second is the account menu on the right. It is accessible by clicking the account icon in the top right corner. This is how you manage your account and organizations. Here we see the account menu. Close the account menu by clicking the X in the top right corner. The status section shows you the current status of your auction. You can change the status by clicking on the Edit button. You are now on the auction controls screen. With the Set Auction to Preview button, you can manually set the auction to preview mode. And with the Set Auction to Run button, you can manually begin the auction. By checking the Auto Run Auction toggle, you can set custom times to preview, start and end your auctions. We'll cover this in a later video. Back on the dashboard, the Auction Login section offers two methods of allowing guests to access the auction. The recommended and highly preferred method is to instruct guests to send a text to the auction phone number. The other is to have guests visit this URL with their mobile browser on their smartphones. In the Volunteers section, your event volunteers can use this URL to sign guests up and send invites to the auction. In the Testing section, you will find one of the 3 ways to add test patrons. Another video will describe this in more detail. In the Auction Stats section, you can view ongoing statistics of a current running auction. Refresh your browser window to see the most current stats throughout the event. In the Settings pane, you can quickly get an overview of how the most important settings of the auction are configured. And the Leaderboards pane provides links to view a running auction's leaderboards. All Items displays all the items in your auction. Latest bids will display only the items with recent bids. Thank you for touring the dashboard with us. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to configure your auction settings, auction controls and landing page settings.